Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to do the wafer paper hydrangeas, like these ones for the filler flower. So I can use this one for the filler flower. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So for this one I have to cut the flower first. So I'm going to use this cutter and then I'm going to use the wafer paper. So I cut the wafer paper to kind of strips so it's easy. So these ones I'm going to put it inside like this. First I need the blue one, so I colored the paper first, but right now I'm going to show you how to cut the white one, but I used the colored paper. Okay, so I put it inside and then I need only this bigger one, so I'm going to cut the bigger one. Okay, so we can cut this one like this, and then I can use the just a little bit water or conditioner to make it little soft like this, and then it's okay. Then I'm going to use my ball tool to make a little shape like this. Like this. So then I'm going to use this flower center, and then I take some of these ones and then I cut it half. Okay, I'm going to use the little tool. I want to make a hole here in the middle, so make it like that, and then I use the wafer paper glue tool to glue it. First I put this inside, like this, and then I'm going to add some glue. And then like this, and then I'll put it to dry. So I'll show you one blue one, and then I want to use this one, and then I want to make a hole in the middle. Okay, then I use this center, put it inside, and then I use the glue. And then do it like this. Then I put it in a dryer like this. These are the flowers that I did, and then these are dry now, so see, it's so delicate. So nice. Like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the bunch like this. I take a wire, and then I can make a little hook here, and then I use the flower tape. Then I need some of these ones that I did. Um, this one's okay. I'm going to put this first. Cover it first. Okay. Now put some on top. Let's see, I have some bigger ones, and like this.